In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a timestamp or the current date and time into an Outlook email message. Whether you're keeping your emails organized, needing to log the exact minute you've sent or replied to a message, or just love the satisfaction of having those precise details at your fingertips, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the classic Outlook dashboard you're comfortable with. Once you're there, head to the top left corner where you'll find the option to create a new mail. Clicking on this will open up a new message window ready for you to tailor according to your needs. Once you have your new mail open, the next thing you'll want to do is look towards the top menu and find the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all sorts of options to add different elements to your email. Among these options, you'll need to seek out date and time. It'll be listed there, ready to customize your email with just a click. When you click on date and time, a dialog box will appear showing multiple formats for you to choose from, both for date and time. This is a great moment to pause and think about whether there's a specific format your workplace prefers, or maybe there's one that matches your personal aesthetic and functional needs. Once you've made your choice, simply select the format that suits you best and click OK. You'll see it instantly appear in the body of your email. For those of you who love a good shortcut, I've got a couple of handy ones to share. When wanted quickly, you can simply press Alt plus Shift plus D to insert the current date directly into your email. Alternatively, if it's the current time you need, pressing Alt plus Shift plus T will do the trick. These shortcuts can be real time savers, especially when you're sending or replying to a lot of emails and need to keep track of your correspondence efficiently. By including the date, time, or both within your emails, not only do you enhance your organizational skills, but you also provide a clear point of reference for anyone who receives your messages. It can help eliminate any confusion about when the conversation took place, ensuring smooth communication. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to insert a timestamp or the current date and time into an Outlook email message. Use these instructions as your go-to method in any situation where time details matter. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these tips in your daily emailing.